Hola, feliz año nuevo. Soy yo, Chef Nel Sazón, y hoy voy a hacer pan de maíz mexicano. This recipe includes AP flour, salt, yellow cornmeal mix, 4 eggs, 2 sticks of butter, sugar, creamed corn, sharp cheddar cheese, Monterey Jack cheese, baking powder, and green chilies. In a bowl, combine 2 sticks of melted butter and 1 cup of sugar. Now it's time to crack in our 4 eggs, but be sure to crack in each egg one at a time. Now it's time to blend in the most important ingredients, which includes 15 ounces of canned creamed corn, half 4 ounces of canned green chilies, half a cup of cheddar cheese, and half a cup of Monterey Jack cheese. Warning, please be sure that the chopped green chilies are drained before combining it into the corn mixture. Okay, the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, combine 1 cup of flour with 1 cup of yellow cornmeal, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And once you've done that, add the flour mixture to the corn mixture and stir until smooth. Some of y'all might be wondering what makes this cornbread Mexican. Well duh, we have the green chilies in it. So during my international culinary class last spring, we explored a different cuisine each week, and Mexican theme was included. And the other thing is that one of the students in that class actually prepared this recipe. He was only in a couple of my YouTube shorts, but you've seen him before. I'm just saying, that was the best class I've ever had throughout college so far. Sorry about that, I got a little distracted, but that's not the point. Once you combine all the ingredients, pour your batter into the butter baking dish, then bake it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes. And after that, let it cool in room temp for 10 to 15 minutes. Pan de maíz mexicano. Alright, I got the cornbread. I'm gonna try it, and I won't cap. Wow, super moist. Dang, it's super moist. I can even see the chilies in here, the green chilies. Alright, let's see. All I gotta say right now is that this right here, this is a lot better than the one from the Jiffy box. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like the one from the Jiffy box, but this one is 10 times better. The fact that it's homemade and everything like that, my friend Chef Matt, this is his recipe right here. I mean, if you don't know who he is, he was in a couple of my YouTube shorts, you know, the Cooking with Matt and stuff like that. So yeah, go check it out if you haven't. And the one thing about this cornbread right here is that it is so buttery and it's not really that spicy. I mean, I put in 4 ounces of the green chilies, but honestly, it's not a lot that's gonna like burn my mouth, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I still can't believe how good this is. But the one thing that this would be good with is with some beans. And you know what they say, beans and cornbread. The one thing I don't really taste in this cornbread are the 2 cheeses I put in here. You know, honestly, if I gave somebody this, nobody would ever know I put cheese in here. That's for sure. There's no way. Because I find it hard to believe that I even put cheese in here. And the other thing that you realize is that when you have Jiffy cornbread, you don't really see like I don't know if you guys can see this, but like you see the corn pieces. You don't see that in the Jiffy when you're making the Jiffy cornbread, but when you make it from scratch, you can definitely see it. So much better. And to be honest with you, now I don't really want to have Jiffy cornbread anymore. You know, at first I was really thinking that this was going to be spicy, but it's actually sweet and spicy at the same time, but it's mostly sweet. That's the one thing about it. But yeah, you have not lived until you tried Mexican cornbread. 1, a lot of people never heard of it, and 2, it's a new thing. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace, and happy 2026. And you gonna eat your cornbread.
Press the wrong button, Nigga pop.
Hey, girl. You gonna eat your cornbread?
Oh, Trevor.